Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. To replace the Icemaker fill tube assembly in this GE refrigerator, you will need a Phillips head screwdriver, a 1/4 inch nut driver, a 5/16 inch nut driver, and a putty knife. Before you begin the procedure, unplug the appliance's power cord and shut off the home's water supply line valve. Have an assistant help you to move the refrigerator away from the wall. Use the 1/4 inch nut driver to unthread the upper center screw, securing the waterline retainer and lower rear access panel. Next, unthread the 5 remaining screws securing the access panel using the 5/16 inch nut driver. With the screws unthreaded, lift the panel up to remove. Use the 1/4 inch nut driver to unthread the screw securing the water inlet valve mounting bracket. Detach the bracket from the frame. Pull out the retaining clip, then depress the lock ring to release the fill tube water line from the valve. Be prepared for some water to spill. Using the 1/4 inch nut driver, unthread the screws securing the waterline retainer to the rear panel. Next, unthread the 2 screws to release the fill tube retaining bracket. You can use a putty knife to help pry the old fill tube assembly off the rear panel. To prepare the new Icemaker fill tube assembly for installation, transfer the retainer from the old water line to the new one. Now peel off the plastic to expose the adhesive. Insert the fill tube into the hole in the rear panel and press firmly. Realign the retaining bracket and thread the 2 screws to secure. Thread the screw to secure the waterline retainer to the rear panel as well. Fully insert the water line into the inlet valve port and slide in the retaining clip. Reposition the inlet valve mounting bracket on the frame and rethread the screw to secure. Replace the lower rear access panel by aligning the bottom tabs first. Rethread the screws. Secure the water line behind the retainer and rethread the upper center screw. Move the appliance back against the wall. Now confirm the new fill tube is properly positioned over the Icemaker fill cup. Then open the home's water supply line valve. Plug the appliance's power cord back in, and the refrigerator should be ready for use.